Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to quickly go over how to remove duplicate values in Excel. So for this example, we have a set of housing data. And so if we select everything, you can just select somewhere in here, hit Control A. We're going to want to remove these duplicates. So how to do that is if you're in the Home tab, you're going to go over to the Data tab. And then in Data Tools, you're going to click here at Remove Duplicates. So you can choose how you want to remove the duplicates. You could do by the number of bedrooms, but you wouldn't want to since a lot might have one or two or three. So that would remove everything with a duplicate in that value. So if there's a single column that you don't want duplicates, for this, we could do, you know, every single column because the status, the bed, bath, acreage. So if there's a duplicate with every single value the same, so there's two of these values, there's four of these, five of these. Um, Whenever we click OK, it will tell us how many values were removed and how many unique values still remain. So we click OK, and so we could do no headers, but in this case, if you choose headers, it won't select the first row. Click OK. So 85,000 duplicate values were removed. So every single row that had all of these cell values as the same in the next row were removed. And so 14,600 remain. So now if you scroll through, you won't see any duplicates. In this case, these are the same value, but you can tell they're in different places, different zip codes, and everything. So that's a quick way to remove duplicates. Like, subscribe, and comment for more Excel tutorials. And thanks for watching.